What do you think is going to last forever? Something that's friction fit or something that's locked in? This is how commercial buildings install metal roofs on their building. The reason they do it this way is they do a 30-year cost analysis where they determine roof material and install spec. And this is how they spec commercial buildings, but it's also how we install metal roofs on our forever armored homes. So this is the best way you can do it. Typically what's going to happen when you have a standing seam metal roof is they're going to slide the panels over top of one another and just friction fit them into place with what's called a snap lock. They're basically just going to beat it on, and that's going to hold it in place in theory. But the problem is the whole roof's like that. It's basically like a giant bed sheet where they can just pick it up and it'll move because it's not locked into the roof. And this is why we use this. So first of all, this clip goes over top of the seam and it's actually locked in using these pancake screws. So we're going to actually lock it in for you. So again, put that in there. So now it's held in. Now you have to remember that over the course of 30-40 years, metal is going to flex a little bit. It's going to move 1/8 of an inch or so because of that expansion and contraction from the hot and cold as you put that snow load on there. It's going to move a little bit. This allows it to move, but if the whole edge is friction fit, it's not actually going to be allowed to move at all, which is going to actually break down the metal and cause it to have that oil panning effect, which is really, really unsightly. So the next step is once that's actually fastened down to the roof deck, it can't go anywhere. So then we have to lock in the next panel. So we use these clamps. This actually holds it in place, so it's not going to move anywhere, but it's also not going to scratch. And then, finally, we put this on. And this is our hand seamer. There you go. And then we go like that, and that actually locks it in place. Now, we have a machine that actually roll forms that up the entire edge of the roof, and that's what gives you a nice consistent clamp. But now that that's locked in, I can pick up the whole roof deck, as you can see underneath there. You're not going to move this because that's fastened down. That's how you get a metal roof to last forever. That's how we do it, and that's how you should do it on your home.